After a recent tornado in Hardin County, Nathan Kitchen spoke with one of the meteorologists who surveyed the damage to see how the National Weather Service comes up with those findings.
The tornado that struck the south side of Kenton on Saturday, August 12th, produced damage to several homes, uprooting trees, and even flattened a garage. Each time tornadoes occur, the National Weather Service is tasked with surveying the damage in order to reconstruct the tornado's life cycle and estimate the magnitude of the winds. On Saturday afternoon, a survey crew drove up from the office in Wilmington to conduct a survey.
The first thing that we did when we got there was we went to the starting point. When did the damage actually begin? And so we were driving out in the fields west of Kenton just to make sure that the touchdown didn't happen previous to the town of Kenton. And when it comes to getting into the damage itself, you start to see the significance increase. Obviously, as the tornado got stronger, right there within the town, we saw some light metal debris. We saw some trees, but then eventually you saw some structure damage.
Doppler radar detected significant rotation with this storm, prompting a tornado warning to be issued 20 minutes before it touched down. Upon arrival, crews were able to quickly determine it was an EF1 with winds up to 90 miles per hour.
This was a pretty clear and evident signature in the damage itself that this was very isolated. You know, if you went to the north side of town, there was nothing at all with regards to damage. So that can be very helpful because microburst or straight line wind damage, you know, sometimes or most oftentimes is not as localized as it was here.
Wind speeds are estimated by taking into account the extent of the damage and the type of construction. As you can imagine, an old barn compared to a home anchored to a foundation will have drastically different results to the same wind speed. So the National Weather Service takes into account over 24 damage indicators based on extensive research to come up with the results. Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens reporting for your News Now.
All right, thank you, Nathan.